What is good, YouTube people? This is the 24th episode of my daily vlogs. If you guys are new to the channel, go check out everything else. So guys, we've been talking a bunch about crypto portfolios, crypto markets going down, but today I wanted to talk about my social media marketing agency. So we are going on already the first month with our first professional client. Tyler had a meeting pretty much with the manager of the location because he's been discussing with the manager and the doctor. The doctor pretty much gives us, a lot of the feedback of what he feels and everything. And the manager is the one that handles the operations and everything from the ins and outs and what he actually thinks of pretty much the service and what we're doing moving forward. Before, we were pretty much just doing the lead generation for them, and we weren't doing any of the nurturing. So we weren't handling the leads, getting them booked. We were letting the location do all of it. Tyler, my brother, who also landed the client, was nurturing a few of the leads that came in to see if he can have a better close rate. Well, Tyler was able to book a few appointments and even a few that slipped through the hands of the doctor. So we pretty much started handling the lead nurturing, and now we have a higher close rate. Now we've already pretty much had a few leads go in and a few pretty much get lost, but we also had a few go in and get closed. One of them actually closed for a large amount. I'll show you guys right here. And it's just doing really good. Our marketing guys, Charlie and Kevin, know exactly what they're doing. Overall, they've been building the funnel systems and they've been producing some really good results. They've actually been doing so good that whenever Tyler was meeting with the manager yesterday, they started talking about their other locations because they have another 3 locations. One of them is the dentist's wife. She has her own location. And then there is another 2, I believe, that are family businesses. But yeah, that would be 4 locations that we would be starting with next month if we can produce at least another lead or 2 within these next 2 weeks. So overall, we are doing amazing results with the agency. Hopefully we move from 1 client to 4 clients within next week or within the next 2 weeks, but it's all going to be based off of the results that we produce. But with the agency, guys, we're doing very well. We're changing the style of the content. The content I was pushing right now was very broad and conservative, so it didn't pretty much hone in on anyone specific because we didn't know the niche that we really wanted to target. Well, we started doing really good with healthcare clients, so the content is going to need to start changing, and we also want to add the personal touch of me, my brother, as well as our marketing team, so that we can actually create a proper brand and structure that people want to resonate with. And before that content, it was social with Gio, so it was just me pretty much busting out social media content, which was also really good. But now I want to move into a more professional brand social media marketing agency with my brother as well as with my other partners. So guys, a lot going on right now. Hopefully within the next week we have a few locations that we're working with. Tyler's still doing this cold calling. I'm going to be pretty much rebranding our socials so we can start pulling in more traffic to our website as well as overall just to our business for potential customers just looking across social media. But overall, guys, a lot of different moving parts, a lot of different moving arms, and we're producing some decent results. I honestly would love to answer anyone's questions. As a starting social media marketing agency, it's honestly really cool to start documenting this process. I want to sit down with Tyler as well as with Charlie and Kevin, just so you guys can have a full understanding of, our team and what we're doing. But I also want to pretty much be able to answer anyone's questions. This process, guys, it took a little bit of time from whenever I've been documenting it to this video now. I'm pretty much talking about moving to a few locations. It's been a process, but overall I'm very happy with what we've been able to produce, and now it's about pretty much getting to that next point. And with this 1 location, we already have a good amount of business that we're doing. If we have another 3 locations added on to that, there's going to be a ton more work to do, and it's going to get really crazy. We're going to start creating an actual real sustainable business. But honestly, guys, this is just a start. I'm glad I'm documenting everything. I'm currently on lunch at my 9 to 5. As another thing, hopefully sooner than later I can go ahead and quit my 9 to 5 so I can just focus on my agency as well as my crypto investment, so I can start getting into real estate and multiple other different things. Yeah, guys, pumped. I gotta eat my lunch because I have to get back to work. But guys, if you're new to the channel, go check out all my other stuff. I'm gonna be talking a little more about the agency in the second half of this video, pretty much of what we're currently doing and what I hope to achieve by the end of 2024. But yeah, guys, really pumped, really psyched. Not about this tuna because I've been eating tuna all week, but it's because I gotta stay disciplined and I'm on a cut. So yeah, guys, let me eat my tuna. I'll catch you guys when we get out of work. Questions, suggestions, drop them down below. Catch you when we get out of work. What is up, y'all? We're back at the casa. I have the shades on because the light is bright and my eyes are hurting. Anyways, guys, I got pulled over by a cop today. It was really crazy. I did run a red light. Short story, yeah. He let me off with a warning because I was, respectful and straightforward and everything. But yeah, I got pulled over today. That was not fun. And honestly, when we get more into the future of this YouTube channel and I have more control over everything in my life, we'll talk a little bit more of how I got away with like a very close call today, but I'll let you guys just guess on how I got away with a close call. But yeah, anyways, as far as what I want to achieve with the agency in 2024, I wanted to have anywhere between 5 to 10 clients, having a retainer of anywhere between 15 to 2,500. You can pretty much do the math on that. Overall though, that's what I want to be hitting over 10,000 a month. That's the first goal that we want to achieve with the agency. But already with this first client, it's opening us to, you know, multiple locations. That's just with one client. And if we keep on doing this, that can pretty much keep on snowballing and even go crazier than what I have anticipated. But yeah, guys, in 2024, we hope to pretty much just scale the agency to at least 10K a month. Hopefully more, honestly, if we keep doing good. We hope to brand ourselves a little bit more efficiently. That way when people hear Vonnie Media, they actually have an understanding of what we're about and what we do. We also want to build our presence in our local area, which is Dallas, Texas. And from there expand, you know, from state to state, hopefully from there worldwide. But guys, overall, 10K a month is the main goal right now in 2024. Once we hit that goal, of course, then we're going to be off to bigger and brighter things. But that's the whole point of this YouTube channel, guys. We're documenting every part of the journey. So I'm pumped, I'm psyched, everything is going really well and as planned. As always, guys, if you guys have any questions, suggestions, anything, please drop them down below. I'd love to answer any of y'all's questions, make any videos that you guys are keen on watching. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up right here. Tomorrow's Friday, I'm pumped for that. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's episode. Peace.